Hi, I just want to give you a quick look of the vintage 1.7 L stainless steel electric kettle. It's with a temperature gauge and auto shut off and ETL listed. And yeah, I love it. I love stuff like that, and I love my instant coffee too. Or doesn't matter what kind of coffee it is. I just love coffee, and this is pretty cool. I love stainless steel products, and I like even that gauge there and temperature gauge, and you know, some people like their beverages the right temperature, and sometimes it's best to have it the right temperature. And you even get the liters, and you like, you know what I mean, it tells you. And yeah, it's definitely great quality, and it's plug. I just have it stuck there and it's tied down some, you know. You just used it right quick and it works pretty good. But I'm gonna try to, just one second. But yeah, here's the inside. See the temperature reader. But yeah, very beautiful.